Welcome to Quality Minute Insights. I'm Rick Harrington Jr., CEO of Harrington Group International. It's Wednesday, July 16th, 2025, and today, in about 3 minutes, we'll dive into the biggest trends in quality management software, QMS, for corrective action in 2025, driven by technology, regulation, and proactive quality management. Before we get started, please take a moment to hit that subscribe to our channel and like our videos. It helps us bring you more great content. Now, let's dive into the show. First, AI and machine learning are revolutionizing CAPA. These tools predict quality issues using predictive analytics, analyzing data to suggest precise corrective actions with methods like 5 Whys or Ishikawa diagrams. Platforms like HQMS from Harrington Group highlight AI agents that cut resolution times and boost efficiency. Next, IoT-enabled real-time monitoring. IoT sensors link equipment to QMS, detecting non-conformances instantly and triggering corrective actions. This reduces defects and recall costs by addressing issues early, a game changer for manufacturing. Second, scalability and automation. Cloud-based QMS like those from Harrington Group offer scalability and real-time collaboration for CAPA processes. Centralized databases streamline workflows, ensuring compliance and traceability across teams and suppliers. Enhanced automation is key. Harrington's HQMS provides customizable workflows, guiding teams through root cause analysis and compliance with ISO or FDA standards, minimizing errors and improving audit readiness. Third, sustainability and security metrics are now part of QMS, aligning corrective actions with sustainability goals like waste reduction and ethical sourcing. This enhances brand reputation while meeting regulatory demands. Cybersecurity is critical too. With digitization, QMS platforms protect CAPA data audit trail, especially in regulated sectors like healthcare. Cloud systems with mobile access secure data during audits, ensuring integrity. Fourth, user-centric design. User-friendly design matters. Intuitive interfaces and personalized dashboards from HQMS improve adoption, while analytics track CAPA KPIs like closure times, driving data-informed optimizations. Last, these trends shift quality management to proactive, data-driven, and sustainable practices, making corrective actions faster and more effective. Explore how HGI's HQMS integrates these innovations at harringtongroup.com or call 1-800-ISO 9000. Thanks for watching.